Hi there! This video will guide you through utilizing the Ask ChatGPT action in Data Action platform to develop a hyper-personalized email newsletter based on data that is stored in Salesforce. Let's see that in action. In Salesforce, I have a campaign set up that consists of contacts I have targeted to invite to a webinar about data management in healthcare. Linked to the campaign, there is a list email. Let's open the draft I've created for the webinar invitation email. Looking at the text body, I'm starting with a salutation where I use the first name of the recipient. Then I'm starting with a short intro, followed by a merge field, which will eventually resolve when the list email is sent. Now let's generate a personal invitation for all the campaign members individually by using Data Action Platform in combination with Ask ChatGPT that we can use in this email template. To do so, I'm navigating to a list view that lists the contacts that are part of my current campaign. After checking the checkboxes of all contacts, I will click the Action Launcher button, which is from Data Action Platform. In the Action Launcher, I can start any bulk action that an administrator assigned to my profile, such as mass update or assign ownership. To generate a personal invitation, I'm picking the action called Ask ChatGPT. In the action, I can define a prompt for ChatGPT in which I can use data from the individual records. Let me paste a prompt that I have already prepared. In the prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to act as a marketing expert and help me write the webinar invite. Part of the prompt are field variables from the records, also referred to as merge fields, that are going to be replaced with the actual record information when the prompt is sent, just like how the merge field in the email template works. Based on the information in the record, in this case job title, account name and industry, I'm asking ChatGPT to generate that personal invitation through reasoning why the webinar is interesting for this person's job responsibility in the industry that their company is operating in. At the result field, we can choose where the data is going to be stored. I'm picking a custom field called Personal Webinar Invite, which I reference in the email template as a merge field. Let's click Next and start the action. Data Action Platform now communicates with the OpenAI's ChatGPT, and as a result, the personal webinar invites are stored in the contact records. Now let's open the list email again and see the personalized invitations. By switching from the Content tab to the Review tab, we can see a preview of the actual emails that are going to be sent out. Looking at the first example, we see an email preview for Camille Prince, a Salesforce administrator working at Kingsborough Psychiatric Center. And we see that the email that is generated is personalized, as we can see that it mentions Camille's responsibility to optimize data systems, after which it introduces the webinar and why this webinar should be interesting for Camille's role specifically. In the second preview, we see an email directed to Carl, a data analyst. And in the second line, the invite speaks about the crucial role that Carl has in analyzing healthcare data, and that in the webinar that is organized, he can stay up to date about the latest trends in data management specific to the healthcare industry. In the preview for Emma, a sales manager, we see that the personal invite persuades Emma to join to get a competitive edge in the industry, to effectively contribute to the growth and success of Colombo Memorial Hospital, which should speak to her as a sales manager. And then we have Giselle, a marketing manager. The invite is about her role in promoting the hospital's services and to ensure effective communication. Joining the webinar would give her ideas to optimize marketing strategies in a data-driven era, which would be a thing that will probably spark her interest. So how awesome is this? If you think this is interesting, feel free to visit our website now and get in touch with a product expert today.